This is why they don't encourage full-size coaches to come along.
Oh, you see that? It's like Colorado. Heights Peak. They call them hairpin turns and bobby pin turns.
We're down at the beach now, so you're going to take a look around, maybe go down to the water, and as always, picking them up, putting them down, picking them up, putting them down, although we got some shadows there. So I have to put the name of this place down at the bottom unless the GPS works, where I can get it here. Coming down close to the water, and might be able to put a title on the sand here. It's a little firmer down here, and it looks like a scene from Poldark over there. A couple people in the water. I think they got wetsuits on though, as I said, the water is extremely cold. So there it is in Scotland here. There's some of our intrepid travelers up at the top there. Okay. Here we got Scotland, although I'm in the shadow because we got Shadow Man in here, but it says Scotland, 7th of June 2019. The 9's not too good, but it's there in Scotland 2019. Well, this is Ed Getley. I'm reporting to you, so I take my hat off so you can see me, from Clachtoll Beach in Scotland. It turned out to be a nice sunny day. I got the dunes in back of me here. I'm going to turn around so you can see that the beach is back there. And I just walked down to the beach. The rest of my group, or most of them, are over there. So we're going to come around here and come back here. But it's at the end of the day. It's about 5 p.m. Kind of tired out. Had a great lunch. And heading back to the hotel now in a few minutes. And hopefully get some tea so I can perk me up, and then gonna have dinner. I think it's gonna be lamb for dinner here. So okay, this is Ed Getley signing off on June 7th 2019 from, I think he said, Clachtoll Beach here in Scotland. Okay, bye bye.